Hello, my friend, and welcome to Retire on My Budget community. This is a quick video how to register, upgrade to plan number 2 using the promo code we provided, and edit your profile if needed. Let's start by filling out the registration. Try to fill out as much as possible information. It will give you more search results and at the same time connect to like-minded people. Okay. Choose file. You can choose any image or your own picture. Choose the name. It can be, again, any name or your real name. For example, for this video, I use run registration, date of birth, email, city where you live now. You will start typing and it will pop up and you choose from our database. And destination, if you're not sure, leave it blank and we will come back to this. Your monthly budget, for example. Okay. And your hobbies, try to put this up to 10 hobbies. This is the maximum. Try to put as many as you have or can. That will also help you to connect to the people with the same hobbies and destination. So, for example, yoga. Okay. Travel. Okay. And running. All right. All right. And languages you speak. Example. Okay. Hebrew. Okay. Hebrew. Okay. Ukraine. All right. Okay. By default, it's free plan number 1. Check here if you like to receive discounts and updates. A little bit about yourself. In my case, I love to travel and help people. Check here box. And feel free to read it. Choose your password and click register. Okay. Once you click register, you should receive an email to verify your email. All right. And you see here, Ron Friedman on the top. Hello, Ron Friedman. Run registration. And here you should have email. We have more subscribers coming. Okay. And here you see the email and you click verify email address. Perfect. Okay. So now you register and verified. In order to upgrade to number 2 plan with the promo code that we provided, you will click manage your subscription. All right. It will bring you to Stripe. You will click upgrade plan. You will go down. Currently you have free number 1 plan and you will click here plan number 2 continue. All right, and here, very important, where you see add promo code, you will click it and you enter the promo code which was provided to you. Okay, so for example, here it's 90 days. Okay, apply. You see here 100% off for 3 months and you click confirm. All right, perfect. Okay, so now you are on plan number 2. Now you can see all the information and all the data. To return, you will click here, return to retire on my budget, or logo here. Okay, so let's do retire on my budget, return it. All right, so now you can compare all the reports, not just prices. You can compare also healthcare, crime, pollution, and so on. Now we will cover how you can edit your profile. Okay, you click edit profile. All right, for example, now you know what destination you like. So here you can add Paris. And once again, it will help you, example, Lisbon. Okay, and maybe Milan. It will help you to connect again to people that have same hobbies and also destination. So please make sure you fill out as much as possible information. Okay, and you will put saved. Perfect. You see profile successfully updated. Okay, perfect. So now if we go, we choose here find cool people like you. Okay, and for example, we chose before yoga, right? Yoga. Okay, and destination, one of them was Lisbon. Okay, Portugal, find. Right here, you see run registration right here. That's why you need to try to fill out as much as possible information. That way you will have more search results when you're looking for cool people, okay? If you remove all the filters, you can search for all the people and start to connecting them by clicking connect and chat with them, okay? Welcome to Retire on My Budget, guys, and see you there. Bye-bye.